Today, I am going to share with you why you should start a YouTube channel, even if nobody watches, even if you have zero views, whatever it is, you don't have any comment, you don't have any like. Starting a YouTube channel can be a very, very brilliant idea. And I will tell you what has worked for me. So, I started YouTube in 2016, and at that time, I just wanted a creative outlet where I could talk. I like to talk. I wanted a place where I could just express myself. And I like watching myself, to be honest with you. Some days I sit down, I'm watching my videos and I'm laughing at myself. So, and I think for me, it has always been the case. Even when I was young, I would sit in front of my mother's mirror and I would just speak away. I would present a full show, just talking to myself. So I started my personal development journey in 2015 and I learned a lot, reading articles, reading books, attending sessions, seminars, and all that. And after a while, I just started feeling that urge to start teaching people. And then my brother suggested YouTube and I went for it. He actually set it up for me and all that. At that time, I didn't even know it was a monetized platform. I didn't even know, so I wasn't even doing it for the money, but I was super happy, just putting the videos out there. If I get 10 views, I'm happy. 10 people watched my video. That's brilliant. And then after a while, I think life got in the way and then I abandoned it. However, I picked it up again last year. And last year when I started, that was 2024, when I started it back, I didn't want to do YouTube video. I was saying I didn't want my face out there. For some reason, I just wasn't comfortable. And I started with a podcast. And I would also share it on YouTube, but it wouldn't have my face. It would just be the voice. And then my aunt called me and said, why not put a face to it? Why not? I said, no, I don't want my face out there. I think I didn't want my face also because if it's to talk within my inner circle, oh yeah, I can do that. I can make presentations. I can be on the podium. I can do all that. But knowing that we have over 2 billion people on YouTube and anybody, anywhere can see your video and then criticize or, I just thought, no, I'm not ready. Anyways, I jumped on it and I sort of eased myself into it. I had to do an interview with a friend. I think that was the first one. And then afterwards, I sort of started doing it myself. You don't want to see my old videos. Don't. Okay, so I think for me, that sort of birthed the process. And of course, I know now that it's a monetized platform. So for me, I was saying, something I would naturally just do for free. And now I would get paid for it. By all means, I want to jump on it. So I started it, but I think it goes beyond the monetization. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. The monetization is good, and I'm not going to say it's not. I want to get to that point where I also get monetized, but it is more than the monetization. What I have learned in 1 year, honestly, I cannot quantify it. I seek knowledge. I am a very curious person, so I read a lot. I always want to be a step ahead and all that. However, learning because you have to go and teach it, it's another level of learning. Learning because you know that what you're learning, you need to apply it so that you can attach your own story to it. And you also need to be able to teach someone for the person to understand it. It's a different ball game. No pressure. So it's not a pressure. It's just you've taken your curiosity to another level to say, a question may come from someone. I want to be able to answer this. I want to be able to learn, not just for myself, but for other people. If you have not started, you cannot understand. But I tell you for free that your growth game will be super strong because you're feeding yourself continuously information, a lot of information, such that you start identifying opportunities that are within that information. It doesn't matter whether people are watching your videos or not. It doesn't matter. Just start. They will watch it at some point. Just start. It could take a year. Honestly, I'm not even bothered about how long it's going to take. I am enjoying the process. Every day I continue to learn. I continue to set up my camera. I continue to talk into my camera like I used to talk to my mother's mirror. And to be honest with you, I love the growth that I have seen so far. It is brilliant. It is encouraging. But I tell you also that whether or not it is there, I would still show up because for me, it's a creative outlet. It's something that I love to do. And I love that it is forcing me to learn. And I continue to learn because I want to always deliver value for people. So that's one thing I put here to say that it gives you that income, opportunity. One, it helps you also to have an outlet, a creative outlet. I know I read an article at a time that says is either you're doing it for money or you're doing it for interest or you're doing it as expression, MIE, so, and you can do it for all three. So if it's for money, yeah, of course. If it's something that interests you, of course. And if you're doing it, as a mode of expressing yourself, by all means. Then I think one thing it has helped with is also having a bigger reach. When I run my master classes, so I run master classes teaching people the basics of stock investment. When I run my master classes now, the people that connect with me to say, oh, I want to join, sometimes they're from YouTube. So it's like having a bigger platform to say, you know what, your customer can be anywhere in the world, your customer can be there. So it's a bigger reach, it's a global audience, and you never can tell where opportunities can spring from at any point in time. You cannot tell whether I've received a number of emails where people would say, do you want to talk about our brand, and then we will give you X. I am very skeptical because, again, one, I'm still a very small YouTube channel. The second one, I have to have tested that product or that service, and I have to have seen it work for me before I say I am recommending it to people. But honestly, if I were still worried about putting my face out there and all that, would that opportunity have come? So you never can tell the opportunities you're missing just because you're not getting into the arena. Another reason I put down is if you are someone who wants to make a living out of YouTube, for example, you don't have a 9 to 5, you might be in a good place. Because if you're ready to, make it your source of income, I know a number of people just by watching their videos and basically following all their journey, their YouTube journey, they're living on this income. And I think what I like about that also is they can work anywhere. That flexibility is there. They're probably enjoying what they're doing. They just wake up every day, keep learning, keep researching. How do I fix my thumbnails? How do I fix my title? What are people searching for? Can I make video on this? Can I make video on that? And that's all they do. It's a lot of work, honestly. How I am able to combine it with my 9 to 5 is a topic for another day. Because yeah, I still have my 9 to 5, but there are people who run it on a full-time basis and they are comfortable paying their bills and all that just by doing that. So if you are considering, what, I actually can talk. I can talk for a living. I have a lot to share and I'm happy to continue to research, and you really want to do this. This is me saying, go for it. I never imagined the amount of opportunities that exist within YouTube. It wasn't until I started and I started looking at, other YouTubers, watching their videos, that I thought, wow, really? And they tell you how much they make just by being on YouTube. And I'm like, really? Honestly, I cannot wait to be that big. I cannot wait to be that big. But you have to love it. You have to love it. You have to enjoy it. You have to put in energy. It is work. It is not. And I'm not even going to kid you. It is work. It is work. So you have to enjoy it. Because when you enjoy it, for you, it's no longer work. It's just, what? I set up my camera and I am talking, and all that. And you're impacting. You're influencing. I like comments that, basically say, thank you. This is exactly what I've been looking for. Oh, thank you. This came at the right time. In a small but mighty way, You are changing the world. So by all means, it is beautiful to do YouTube. It is very beautiful. It helps with your own personal development. It can put money in your pocket. It can help you connect with amazing, amazing people. It can open doors of opportunities to you. I would always say it is a brilliant idea, and don't get fixated on the number of views, on the number of, and don't overthink it. Don't think, oh, I need a gadget, you don't need all those things. You just need your phone. You have a phone anyways, so you just need your phone. Even if you don't have a microphone, shout. Even if you don't have lighting, use natural lights. All those things you give yourself as excuse. Oh, I should have started. It's just that I don't know. You can start. You will get better along the line. You would improve. Things will change. You will get, super comfortable with your face being out there. Now, I'm not even worried about my face being out there. It's a fine face. Don't mind me. All right, I'll see you in the next video.